In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header on your Big Cartel website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gearing up to launch your online store or looking to refresh its layout, updating your header with a new logo and images can make a big difference. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Big Cartel website. It's a fantastic platform that offers free, easy online stores for artists and small businesses, allowing you to showcase your creative work. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You'll find the login button usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login screen where you can enter your shop's URL and password. Make sure you type in these details accurately to successfully access your Big Cartel dashboard. Once you're logged in, you will be greeted by the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your homepage for all store management activities. From here, locate the account section, usually found in the menu, and click on it. This step ensures you're in the right place to initiate any design changes you want to make. Under the account settings, you'll then want to look for the shop design option. This is where all the customization magic happens. At this juncture, click on the Go to Shop Designer button. This opens up the design interface where you can see a preview of your site and make changes to its appearance. Your attention should now be drawn to the header section. This is a critical part of your website's identity, as it often contains your brand logo and any key visuals that represent your business. Locate the existing header logo space. It should be clearly marked within the Shop Designer interface. If you wish to update this area, you'll need to upload a new logo image. Choose a file from your computer that reflects your brand well. Ensure that your logo is high quality and appropriately sized so that it looks good on various devices. Once the logo is set, consider enhancing your homepage further with a compelling image. This is optional, but a well-chosen image can add to the overall appeal of your site, making it more inviting for visitors. To do this, simply find the homepage image upload option in the design tools and select a photo that resonates with your brand style and message. And that's it. You've now successfully edited your Big Cartel website's header. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your work. Refresh your browser to view your updated site. Congratulations on giving your online store a fresh new look. Thanks for joining me today.